Good morning, children. How are you all? Did you all practice yesterday's homework? That is knowing the meanings of given words. Yes, practice it well. Also the odd words given in the lesson. Okay. Today we'll move on to grammar exercise. Yes. Today it is Royal Parade, Grammar and LSRW, that is learning, speaking, reading and writing. Okay. First we are going to see grammar. The grammar, now it is noun. What is the noun? Noun is a naming word. Naming words are called nouns. Okay, what is the naming word? What is naming word? We already know the names of people, animals, places and things are called naming words. So naming words are nothing but nouns and they are here. Jaya is playing. So this is the sentence. In this sentence, Jaya is a naming word. It is a word. So Jaya is the noun. Okay. Jaya is playing. Jaya is a noun because the name of a people. It is the name of a people. Okay. People or boy or girl or man or woman. Any name is called as noun. Okay. Now next. We have discussed three types of nouns in this lesson. One is proper noun, second one is common nouns and third one is collective noun. Okay. So in proper noun, first what is proper noun? Proper noun, name a particular person, place or idea. Okay. Particular place or idea, common noun. Sorry, proper noun. Proper nouns begin with a capital letter. So proper noun is nothing but the names. Any name. When it is properly said, say for example your name, it can be your name. Okay, my name, Geeta Priya, it is a proper noun. Your name, say for example Ramu, any other name, it is a name of a person, name of a place particularly. When it comes for a city like Chennai, area Pammal, Shankar Nagar, that is all the names of the places. That is a proper name. When it is given in the proper way, it is a proper noun and a place or an idea. So proper noun always begin with capital letters. Now can we see a few examples? When we say the days of the week, particularly a day, say for example Wednesday, so it is a day, that day of the week, so it is Wednesday, properly said, so it is a proper noun. Months of the year, when it is said this month April, so April is a particular proper month, so it is a proper noun. Like that it comes. So we will see now the proper noun exercise. So name of a people, as I said, Jaya, Deva, in this lesson we discussed these two are proper nouns because it is given exactly the name of them. Name of an elephant and name of a girl. Ashraf, Serena, any name you can take. Then names of places. Mysuru, Nagarole, we discussed in this lesson. And few more names, name of the places we can say Ceylon, Kolkata, Delhi, Bombay, Tamil Nadu, and even the city area, that is Shankar Nagar, Pammal, all places only. Okay, now the names of the days of the week, months, as I said, Thursday, Friday, particular day when they are said, March, August, properly they are said. So it is days of the month, week, when it is said properly, particularly, it is the proper noun. Names of the buildings. India Gate. India Gate is a famous monument. Eiffel Tower, Taj Mahal, this and all are famous monuments. They are coming under buildings. Okay. Now, common noun. Common noun is nothing but a person, place or idea in a general sense. So, what is this? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday? They are days of a week. So they are week, days of a week. Then this January, February, March, April, May, these all comes under months of the year. So we say months, common. When they say common, it is months. City, we didn't particularly say the name of the city. So that all come under city. So the Delhi, so then Chennai, Trichy, Madurai, all come under city. Then girl, all the girls in your class we can say. That is all is a common, we'll say commonly girls. Please come out if you say it is a common noun. We are saying commonly. So it is a girl, it is a common noun. Then fruit, we are not particularly saying any fruit like banana, grapes, orange. So we are saying, I brought a fruit. I brought fruits as for snacks, ma'am. If you say fruit, particularly you don't say, ma'am, I brought grapes for today's snacks. If you don't say, if you say in common fruit, then we say fruit salad also. Why? Because it is a combination of more fruits. So we say commonly fruit. So common noun do not usually begin with a capital letter. They won't begin with the capital letter, common nouns. But in the proper noun, they begin only with the capital letter because they are particularly properly said. Okay. Now next. We are comparing the common nouns and the proper nouns. So common noun when it is an actor. Proper noun it is Amir Khan and Vijay or whoever you like, you say your favorite actor, that comes under this particular proper noun. But they all come under the common noun actor. Then the Usain Bolt, P.V. Sindhu, Sania Mirza, like that. They all come under a sports person. Then New York, Dhaka and all comes under city. So this is all common noun, city, actor, sports person, then mountain, Mount Everest and Mount Alps. These all come under mountain. So this when it is said commonly, it is a common noun. When they are particularly said, the particular noun, proper noun, it is known as proper noun. Okay. Now. So here you are given a paragraph. In the book exercise it is given ma. So just go through it. I am going to discuss it today with you. Read the following story. Circle all proper nouns and underline all the common nouns. One has been done for you is given. That is Rustam they have circled. Okay. So now here what I am going to do is I will just read out the story. In this, the proper noun is the name of any person or things or any fruit or animal or any name is given. It is called as proper noun. Keep it in mind. You will have to tell me the answer, okay? Then, common nouns when it is said commonly, just like fruit, weeks, months, instruments, like that. If it is commonly said, it will be in some other color. 2 colors I have used here. First, I will read out the story, then I will give you the answer. Yes. Rustam was a trader. In this, Rustam is a proper noun. According to me, was a trader. Trader is a common noun. It can be any trade. It can be any trader. Trader means businessman. Okay. He can do any business. He can be a fruit seller. He can be selling vegetables or any provision. Yes, any grocery, crockery, anything. So, he lived in a small village. So village name is not specified. So it is a common called Kavipur. Here it is particularly said. So it is proper. One day he was going to the city. City is common noun. Yes. On his donkey. Donkey is common noun. Kiji. The donkey's name is Kiji. They are giving particularly here. So Kiji is a proper noun. He wanted to sell fruits from farm. Farm is again common noun. In the market. Market is also common noun. When it is said particularly Netaji market, Pallavaram market, Pamal market, if they say particularly it is known as proper noun. Here they have given common, so commonly, so it is common noun. Kiji sang songs. Song also is not particularly said. He sang the national song, he sang this song. Like that, they didn't say specify, they didn't specify. So it is common. And Rustam again what? Proper noun. Played on his mouth organ. Mouth organ. It is an instrument. It is a musical instrument. Particularly said, keep it in mind. As they passed from one village to another. By afternoon, they were tired. So they stopped at a village called Soha. Yeah, village is a common and Soha is the name of the village. So it is proper. Okay. Your afternoon is also common. They didn't say, they didn't specify any date on the month of June 2nd like that. They didn't specify. So it is a common again. Okay. Then next. Journey again. They sat on the banks of a river. Banks. Bank also is a common word. They didn't specify any bank. And river also they didn't specify here. So it is common. Here only comes name Damri. This is specified. So it is properly said. So it is proper noun. Again Rustam is a proper name. Orange. And gave an apple. Orange and apple are fruit specifically said, particularly said, properly said. So it is proper noun. And Kiji again is a proper noun, name of a donkey. They reached the city in the evening. Evening is also not specified. Which day? Evening. So they didn't specify the date. That is second day, second of the month of February like that. They didn't specify. Only evening they said. So it is common. Rustam sold all his fruits, here fruits again common, and earned a lot of money. Money is also common, they didn't specify the amount. 1,000 rupees, 10,000 rupees, they didn't specify. So it is a common. Then Rustam and Kiji started on their long journey back to Kavipur. Yeah, journey, long journey also, they didn't specify the places. So it is common again. And Kavipur is proper again. Okay. Now we'll see the answers. Yes. Yes, Rustam. This all pink color is proper noun. Then this is all common. Trader, village, city, donkey, fruits, farm, market, songs. As we discussed, this all comes under common noun. But the name specified, Rustam, Kavipur, Kiji comes under proper noun. Next page. Again, mouth organ, village, afternoon will come in. They have given mouth organ as a common noun. But according to B, mouth organ, if you keep mouth organ as a common noun, any not name specified, not brand specified, maybe they have said. But according to me, mouth organ is a musical instrument, we can say. When it comes under musical instrument, it is a proper noun. But when it is commonly said, the brands may differ or the types may differ. So, among the mouth organ, this is common noun. Okay. Then village, afternoon, as usual, common. So is the name of the village, so it is proper. Now next page. Again, journey, bank, river, city, evening, fruits, money, as I discussed already, it is a common noun, and Damri is the name of the river. So, the Damri, orange, apple, here, as we discussed already, Kiji, Rustam, Kavipur, all proper noun. Okay. Now let us go to the next. It is collective nouns. What is a collective noun? Already we have seen proper noun and common noun. When it is properly specified the name, it is proper noun. And common nouns, when they are said in common, they are called as common noun. Here collective nouns. The words that show a group or collection of people, animals or things are called collective nouns. So I will say crowd, bunch and class. For example, crowd of people, bunch of grapes, class of students. Yes, this all a collection, a collection of people, a group of people, a crowd of people, a bunch of grapes, a class of people, like that. Okay, it is a collection. So we say it. Now shall we see the exercise on that? Some examples for that? Yes, here it is. Examples of collective nouns. A choir of singers, a crowd of people, a herd of wild animals, a swarm of bees, a band of musicians, a troop of monkeys, a bunch of grapes. Okay. Now, see here, these are all the nouns used to say the collection. Choir is for singer, crowd is for people, herd is for elephants, swarm is for bees, and band is for musicians, troop is for monkeys, bunch is for grapes. So these are all the words we use to say for collection. That is a collective noun we use usually. We won't use some other names as a collection of singer, collection of people, collection of, we won't say. For that we will specify certain names, certain nouns, certain words that are called as collective nouns. Choir, crowd, herd, swarm, band, troop, bunch. We have more examples. So I'll give you one exercise, one worksheet on that. You please find out from net and give the answers for that. That will be more interesting for you to know. Okay. One. Listening, pronunciation, words with silent letters. How you will pronounce a word with one letter will be silent over here. Okay. So there, listen to the words and underline the words which are silent. It is given here. But yes, they are asking you to underline. But I have colored it in red. Okay, only the silent letters in this. Shall we now say? Just listen how I am pronouncing the word Wednesday. Sandwich, wine, guitar, whistle, knife, talk, half, or, two. Okay, in these words, if you listen, you will come to know that D I am not pronouncing in this spelling. By pronouncing Wednesday, D is not coming. Wednesday, then sandwich. D is again sandwich, I am not saying, I am saying sandwich. Then Y, guitar, I am not saying guitar, I am saying guitar. Whistle, whistle, I am not saying whistle. Knife, knife, I am not saying, I am saying knife. Talk, I am not saying, I am saying talk. Half, I am not saying alf. All, H-A-L-F, alf, I am not saying, I am saying half. R, or hour. I am saying O-U-R-R. Only the H is pronounced, it's a silent letter. Two, I am saying just like P-O. W is not pronounced. So this is all silent letters. Okay. Now reading. Read this, you are going to read along with me. Okay, this same silent letters only, reading, pronunciation, page number 20. It is given in the form of crossword. But I am just giving you the words for you to practice. Read these words. Say them aloud. You just see your book source PDF to just understand these words. Okay. Listen. Rustle. Say loudly along with me. Listen. Rustle. Soften. Christmas, ballet, castle, catch, whistle. Okay? Yes. Now, next is writing practice, describing things. Yes. Here it is a describing a word will be given to you. That word you will have to say what it is. Here chocolate is given. So you are going to describe about it. So how you will describe, first you are going to see how it is or what it is. Then you are going to explain it. So for chocolate, it is sweet. It will be sweet, okay. Then it is smooth, soft and brown. Okay. Just make it a simple sentence. It is smooth, soft and brown they have given. Then breakfast. Breakfast is, what is breakfast? It is a meal. It is a meal. I eat in the morning. I eat in the morning. Then kitchen. What is kitchen? It is a room. This is where we cook food. This is where we cook food. Very simple sentence. First a short meaning about the word and then how describing that. Okay. Now you will get few words for your worksheet. You will have to do it by your own. Just try it at home. Okay. Yes. These are all the words. You just try. write describing of these words. Remember to say first what it is, then describe it. An ice cream, how it will be, then what you will do with it. A fridge, a pizza, a dining table, a novel. Say for example, a novel is a storybook. Interesting, I will read interesting stories in it. Interesting stories will be there in it. Like that, a simple sentence you can give. Okay. Okay children, I'll give you worksheet on proper, common and collective nouns, and also a few words in this. Do your worksheet and submit it on, that is mail it on Monday, okay. You will be giving it on Monday, I think so. Okay, do it well, practice well, use your book source PDF to clarify your doubts. If any doubt, please mail us. Thank you children.